Karena jangan lek menti jong kini ngino mai khmat jongi panlong ingi bangin shun para banreu. Wat lada upulis yang ingi para kasir om kin korshu akan naga ganti.
Lek burdar lampi, lek cete lampi, lek burdar, lek afidik kulit betul, lek lampi, lek pasal bom tu, ngidai lenong pasal berarti ngidai lenong ngidai lenong, ngidai lenong
Don't listen to anything in this world, because from the Garo side and from Khasi side is totally different. Actually, there is a good people in Garo Hills also, but still, since before we getting the Chief Minister only from Garo Hill, that's why we didn't get any support in Khasi Hill. Just see about the playground. Playground in Meghalaya, at least the city of Meghalaya is Shillong. It should be the good playground in Shillong only, right? But you go to Garo Hill, you will see a good playground in Garo Hill, not in Shillong, not in Khasi Hill, because the thing is, we have a Chief Minister only a Garo. That's why Garo will be support only for their own tribal, not for the Khasi tribal. He will not listen to you. Just get out from that place. Don't ever go again and again to the Secretariat. Just blast the Secretariat. I'm getting so much angry because every time I'm tired to look at this, because nobody knows the truth. Nobody knows the truth. Nobody knows inside. That's the main problem. And in Khasi, they never be a one. They never be a uniform. They never be a equal. One by one has a different mind. That's why Garo Hills, they win every time, every day, and every year, every month until the end of the life. You cannot go to Secretariat every day. You cannot go and talk like that every day because there's nothing. You will get nothing. Even if we have a Preston also, Preston is nothing. He's just a stone. If people can break, then he will break. Otherwise, nothing. You know what? In Meghalaya, there is nothing, I'm gonna say. When I was small, I thought to study very well to get a job in Meghalaya, but nothing, because no support for Khasi Hill. They can say that, yeah, I'm angry. It's just because I've studied a lot, just because to get a job in Meghalaya, but nothing, because they have placed it from the outside people, Garo people, everywhere, and no support we will get from there. You don't think about getting the support from there. So that's why all the Meghalaya people who are very good graduate also, they have to leave from their own place, like me. So don't think about getting support from your Garo Chief Minister. He will talk blah 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 and he will not do like whatever he's saying. I know, because I know very well, because one of the MLA from NPP, he's my Anglo brother. And I don't want to support now. Before I was supporting, but now I don't want. I'm getting angry because of this. We will not get nothing. If you go anywhere, if you run everywhere surrounding the Meghalaya or outside the Meghalaya, you will see. In Meghalaya house, Garo only, no Khasi. In the office, Garo will be there. In everywhere, but just go to Garo Hill, you will not see Khasi in the office. Only one, either two office. Most of the office, main office, there will be only a Garo people, not like in Khasi Hill. So why you are waiting for? They never listen. You better not to go to Secretariat, and especially for the Meghalaya police, totally useless. Because see, they should be giving some respect at least for ladies, for the kids. They should giving some respect. They are human being. They have a family member. Why didn't think about that?